In Madhya Pradesh, a fresh controversy here. This is between the BJP and the Congress there amidst ongoing COVID surge here and the black fungus menace that one is seeing an increase of number of cases there as well. But while referring to the COVID mutant, the variant strain here, which is B.1.617.2, which is called, which many of course refer to as the Indian variant. The former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister and the senior Congress leader Kamal Nath took a jibe at the centre as well as the Prime Minister. He claimed that the PM and the President are afraid of Indian corona. And the BJP retorted back by calling this as an insult to India. The Union Minister Prakash Javadekar spoke on this here as well, saying that the World Health Organization has clarified that no name has been attributed to any country for any variant of this disease.
चीन का कोरोना आज भारत इतना महान बन गया कि अब इंडियन वेरिएंट कोरोना विश्व के प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति आज इंडियन वेरिएंट कोरोना से डरे हुए हैं। देशों ने बैन कर दिया, सिंगापुर देश जैसे देश ने बैन कर दिया। जो हमारे बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे थे, मुझे तो किसी ने बताया कि जिसको कॉलेज में एडमिशन हो गई थी, उन्होंने कहा आप इंडिया से आ रहे हैं, आप इंडियन वेरिएंट ले आएंगे तो आपकी एडमिशन कैंसिल।
सर, बीजेपी तो कह रही है कि ये जो इंडियन वेरिएंट वाली बात है ये कांग्रेस की है।
ये कौन सा टूल किट है? ये तो खुद कह रहे हैं। ये क्या विश्व के सब देश पागल हो गए हैं? हमारे साइंटिस्ट कह रहे हैं, खाली बीजेपी की सलाहकार नहीं कह रहे।
कमलनाथ ने कहा कि इंडियन कोरोना, भारतीय कोरोना, कुछ लोग इंडियन वेरिएंट कहते थे, ये तो इंडियन कोरोना कह रहे हैं। और उन्होंने आगे कहा, यहाँ रुके नहीं, उन्होंने कहा हमारी पहचान मेरा भारत कोविड। इस तरह का आज उनका बयान घूम रहा है और उसका आज तक अभी तक कोई उन्होंने इनकार नहीं किया है। ये जो वाक्य है कि भारत की पहचान मेरा भारत कोविड, ये भारत का अपमान है। और ऐसे ही अनेक बयान कांग्रेस नेता दे रहे। अनेक नेताओं ने कहा ये इंडियन वेरिएंट है, जब वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने साफ किया कि किसी देश का नाम नहीं दिया है किसी वेरिएंट को।
Our correspondent Govind is getting us further inputs here on this. Govind, of course, this is not something that should be used in this manner to insult a country. But these are quick references in not having to use the technical grade of the variant. There is the UK variant, the South Africa variant, and therefore there is the Indian variant as well.
Yeah, absolutely. This is clearly seen that the war of words between BJP and Congress leaders has started on the name of on the one hand, entire country, even this world is fighting from the pandemic corona crisis. On the other, the war of words starts, as you know, that ex-CM of Madhya Pradesh, Kamal Nath, had a press conference, in fact, online press conference with journalists, and he just addressed journalists while he said this whole claim that now India is maligning just because of unprecedentedly increased cases and deaths, and it's being defamed internationally, and even the international media is publishing the reports which are quite negative, and even UK has denied the entrance of Indian students just because of and it's somewhat the Indian variant of coronavirus Kamal Nath is claiming. And first this starts from China, but now India is being quite defamed, and BJP party is saying that this is somewhat, we can say that kind of a double standard of Congress party's thinking ideology. And Kamal Nath, the senior leader of Congress party, is defaming our country on the international platform. So this is what a kind of war of word has started between BJP and Congress leaders.
Right. Well, Govind, appreciate you getting us those details there.